In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys this simple yet very effective strategy that I use most of the time in looking out for trade opportunities. We can call it a market approach and as well a strategy, but it's mostly price action. And this strategy is called a trendline strategy. So most of the time, whenever I want to look out for trade opportunities, I always pay attention to the market direction. I always make sure I identify where the market is headed to. And this trendline strategy can be used on any time frame. It can be used on a higher time frame like the weekly time frame, the daily time frame, if a swing trader. It can be used on a lower time frame like the 1 hour time frame, the 15-minute time frame, the 4 hour time frame, right, for day traders. So on the 15-minute time frame on Volatility 10-1S index, you can see the market direction. Trends in trading is the directional movement of the market. Right, so we got this market moving to the downside here. And on trend lines, we have market structures, market formations. These market structures and formations are called lower highs and lower lows for a downtrend market, and higher highs and higher lows for an uptrend market. So how do you look at for trade opportunities in this trend? We can see where the market is headed to. Firstly, we've seen the market direction here on the 15-minute time frame on Volatility 10-1S index. So on how we identify the market direction, we should pay attention to sell opportunities, because when we see the market direction, we can tell that this market is heading to the downside. So we should look out for more of sell opportunities. Whenever the market is trending to the downside, it means that there is a decline. We're having a decline in market value. And here we can see that at this point, we have the highs of this index here at 9085.64. Right, that's the highs of this index, and it's currently at 9045.32. It was at 9085, now it's at 9045. You can see that there was a decline in market value. So we should look out for more of sell opportunities. We should pay attention to sell opportunities on this market direction. So after spotting where the market is headed to, we have to identify the levels and zones in this market direction. So we got this level as a key level would say, because price bought here as a support, broke below it, sold as a resistance. So at this point where price bought from as a support should be spotted. So our point of focus should be on the retest of this level if market is to break below this level, because we're getting price sell to the downside. So definitely the break below this level is expected, right? So we should focus on sell opportunities after price might have broken below this level of support. And we can see how price sold from this zone on the retest of this level we spotted here, this level of support that got broken through resistance. We got the sell to the downside. Now let's spot another level to check if this approach is actually accurate, right? So we got the next level here. This is a level of support, and we can see that price bought from this level as a support, bought from as a support. So we should focus on the retest of this level, right, after price might has broken below this level of support and resistance, which we got here actually. So we got price break and retest this level. So someone who took a sell trade at this point will definitely make something out of the market. So that's how this strategy works. That's how simple and easy this strategy is, right? So let's look out for another market direction, another market trend. So we got price create let's look for an uptrend. Let's look for an uptrend here. So we got an uptrend at this point on the 15-minute time frame. We got an uptrend at this zone here, right? This market heading to the upside, creating higher highs and higher lows. And whenever we see an uptrend market, it means that there was an increase in market value, right? There was an increase in market value, unlike a downtrend market where we see price decline in value. So after identifying this market direction, we spot the levels and zones this market got. So we have this level as a level of support, right, as a level of support, because you can see that price bought from as a support, bought from as a support, bought from as a support. So if in any way price is to come back to this level, we're definitely going to get the buys inside this downtrend, right? And we got our level of resistance here, which we look out for our trade opportunities on. So we got the sell from this level as a resistance, price sold from as a resistance, sold from as a resistance, sold from as a resistance, and sold from as a resistance. So if we can predict a break above this level, a retest on it, then we have to expect price buying on that level of resistance, that's broken level of resistance, turn support. You can take advantage of that little move. So we got the buys from this point, price bought to the upside. And let's not forget, on trend lines we have our trend support and our resistance level. A resistance trend is a zone on a trend where market gets to and sell from, and a support trend is a zone on a trend where price gets to and buy from. You can see price got to this level, bought from it, got to the same level, bought from it. So let's go to another time frame to spot this trend as well and look out for trade opportunities and trade formations on them. So we got price sell to the downside long term here. We got this long term downtrend at this zone. We can see that this index has been selling for some time now, right? So after we might have identified the market direction, we can say that this index is bearish, right? This index is on a downtrend at this point. Our focus should be on the sell side of the market. Like I said earlier on the 50-minute time frame, our focus should be on the sell side of the market, and we should pay attention to level of support that got broken and retested, turned resistance for our sell opportunity. And we can see that we got this level, we got a level here as a level of support, because price bought on this level, right? Price bought on this level as a support, price broke below it, retested here. Remember, our focus on the retest of a level of support that got broken, right? The retest here as a resistance, the sell to the downside. So we should look out for sell opportunities on the retest of that level of support got broken, turned resistance. We got another level of support at this zone, and you can see our price bought on the test of this level a couple of times. The buys here, the buys here, and the buys here. So there was a break below this level of support, turned resistance, the retest on it, then we got price do what? Sell to the downside. So these are accurate and simple this strategy can be. So we got an uptrend market at this point as well. We got an uptrend market at this point. Let's not forget, we can identify these trends and take advantage of them on any time frame, right? So we are currently on the 1 hour time frame, and we got this uptrend here on the 1 hour time frame. And whenever the market is in an uptrend, we should pay attention to buy opportunities. We should focus mainly on the buy side of the market, and you should look out for level of resistance that got broken, turned support for our buy trade. So we got this level as a level of, we got the first level here, which was not a level of resistance. So we got a level of resistance here, which is a nice level. So you can see our price sold from as a resistance, before price broke above it. So our focus should be on the test of this broken level of resistance, turned support for our buy opportunity, which price actually did here. We got price break above this level of resistance. There was a break here, test on it. We got price do what? Buy to the upside. Not once, price to bought again the second time to the upside. So this is how effective and simple this strategy can be. So we got our next level of resistance here as well, which price retested, gave the long buys to the upside. You can see our price sold from as a resistance, sold from as a resistance, sold from as a resistance, and sold from as a resistance. So our focus should be on the break of that level of resistance, the retest on it, then look out for our buy opportunities on the retest. So we can see our price bought nicely well to the upside. So that's this, guys. That's how simple and effective this strategy is. You've seen how this market has been selling for some time now. It's been selling after this retest here. It's been giving this long sell. So someone who took a sell here definitely make good profit. So that's it, guys. Hit the like button for more trade teachings like this, and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for it, engaging in my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and do more.